Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Donna, and on this channel we talk about anything luxury. So if you're into all that good stuff as well, please don't forget to subscribe below. It really does help this channel grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, I'm so excited for this video today. It's my very first Hermes unboxing on this channel. So here's the box or package I will be unboxing today. So what do you guys think is in the box? Can it be a handbag, a pair of shoes, maybe some jewelry? Well, it's kind of big for some jewelry, but you guys get the picture. Leave all your guesses in the comment section below. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Now, before I open the box, this was actually a gift from my cousin Chloe and her sister. And Chloe does have a YouTube channel. So her YouTube name is MTL Chloe. I'll leave all her information in the description box below, so check her out. So let's get to the fun part. Can't wait to see what you guys think. So let's open this. And guys, so I got the coffee cup and saucer from their kitchenware collection. Look how pretty this looks. So I'm gonna take it out. It comes in a set, so there are 2 coffee cups with their matching saucers. And look at this cup. So as you can see, it has like kind of a mosaic motif. Let me just get back like that. And it is in platinum or silver gray color. Now, the Hermes kitchenware is all in 100% porcelain, and they are made in France, which is very cool. And underneath, you kind of have you do have the Hermes H in the mosaic motif. It also mentions the name of the collection. So this collection specifically is called Mosaique au 24, and a little bit later I'll explain to you why. And underneath that, you have the Hermes logo that we all know with the horse, and made in France. I don't know if the camera's capturing that, but that's what that says. Very cute, very stylish, and the color combination matches perfectly with my kitchen decor and just my home in general. Let me show you the saucer now. So this is what the saucer looks like, and as you can see, you have that same mosaic motif, and you have the H in the center, which is very cool. The back kind of has the same as the coffee cup, so you have the name of the collection, Mosaique au 24, with the Hermes logo and made in France. And it kind of looks like this. I'm gonna try showing you guys, even though I don't have a table in front of me, which is very cute. What I love as well is that the box does come with this little pamphlet. So as you can see, what's really cool is that the inside, it just explains to you the history or the meaning behind the collection you purchased in a bunch of different languages. So mine, as I mentioned, is called the Mosaique au 24, and it kind of pays tribute to the floor of 24 Faubourg Saint-Honoré, which is the first Hermes boutique that opened up in Paris in 1926. So it kind of has a historic meaning behind the motif. Usually when we think of Hermes, we mostly think about Birkins, Kellys, maybe the Oran sandals, but they do have a wide variety of dishware or kitchenware, and they have a whole bunch of colors, logos, just to match your personal style, different patterns. So if you do take a look on the website, you will see that. My collection, Mosaique au 24, comes in 2 colorways. So you have the platinum colorway like mine. You also have the gold and platinum colorway for those of you who are more into the gold color. But I'm very happy with this color combination. It really suits the decor in my home. And more specifically, my collection, the Mosaique au 24, does have a bunch of other dishes and pieces. They have different kinds of saucers, different kinds of like sugar containers. I don't know what those are called. And different kind of pieces you can put together in your collection. So I'm really happy and looking forward to adding different pieces from the Mosaique au 24 to my dishware collection. I feel it's gonna have it's gonna look great in my kitchen cabinet on display. So guys, that was my first Hermes unboxing. Let me know what you thought. Leave all your comments and questions in the description box below. I'll be sure to answer them. And I guess I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!